Good afternoon, everybody. It's afternoon. Good morning, everybody. It's not afternoon yet. Good morning. I wish I could flip my camera to show you how pretty Jamaica is right now. It's December. It's December 4th. The sun is shining in the sky. The sky is blue. Pretty sky. I mean, you can see based on what I have on that it's not cold. It's hot. Right? Beautiful. Look like paradise. And I know all you foreigners, you Jamaicans who live overseas, well want come here. Come experience the warmth, the sunshine, everything. You know, well want after you work so hard in this country, this foreign country where you take up yourself and go to. You well want come home, come retire. But do me a favor and don't come back here. Stay there. Wherever it is you are, in the cold, England, Canada, the US, wherever you are, don't come back here. I am tired of seeing people toil and slave away for them entire life and come back to Jamaica to retire only to lose them life carelessly. I'm tired of it. Just today my heart is so broken because a gentleman from England, from UK, reached out to me. He could not find his partner who came here, who was working on our house for over 8 days. And today, yesterday evening, they found her buried in a shallow grave. Last week, an American woman in Hanover, lived here for 10 years, was found buried in a shallow grave. There's another one from St. Elizabeth, who was staying in St. Elizabeth, who is now missing. It's just not worth it. Nobody come here with the dreams of the big house. We have a problem in Jamaica with bad mind, right? A lot of people here, bad mind, you know, when they don't go away and they don't work hard under some austere conditions where they don't even begin to understand, and them see the money and them just want it. You know, keep on the money and keep on the life and stay where one is. Stay where you're at. Don't come here. Don't come here. It ain't worth it. And it's not that I don't love my country, but me in my heart can't foresee the dangers. I can't see what is happening here. I not want to know. It don't make no sense. I can't see what is happening here daily and not warn you that every minute we hear another returning resident is missing and then found dead. No, it's not worth it. If you're coming here for vacation, be careful. Be cautious. But I don't advise any of you to return here after you left here, because Jamaica is not the same Jamaica that you left whenever you leave here donkey years ago. Even if you leave here 5 years ago, it's not the same Jamaica. Take my word for it. Stay where you're there and enjoy your life. Don't come back to Jamaica. And I don't want nobody coming on my post and telling me about how I'm bad-mouthing Jamaica, because I have to live here. I'm the one who is posting all these dead people daily, these missing people. And them not gonna know, man. Yeah, these are people who come here to conduct business, to have a good time, to enjoy them country, and they never return because they are brutally murdered and worse, buried in a shallow grave. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Don't come here.